Hey guys, Austin here, and I'm gonna make another video of my lawn boy, seeing if like one of you guys can help me out and search and see what could possibly be wrong with it. I know it might be the spark plug or whatever, but it's a brand new spark plug and it's not even really firing, so I don't know. It might be. I know it's the wrong spark plug though. I know it for sure. That's the deal, but yeah. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like when I go to start it up. Okay. It's not going to start though, but you know. Maybe the spark plug in. It's in, but Austin, what are you doing? So, yeah. Alright. Bye.